Wow, Phoebe, how beautiful! You're doing a great job at painting the animals. The lion, the elephant, the zebra, and almost the giraffe. What was that? It's okay, don't worry. That's cool, Groovy. What is going on? Let's find out. The street is under construction. I think it's going to take them a while. I think we have to get used to this. They still have a lot to do. How? Already? This is weird. Kids, do you think Phoebe and Groovy should help? What fun! A new adventure! Construction machines are broken? And they couldn't finish the work. They can't by himself. He needs our help. Phoebe and Groovy will help you. Groovy can transform into anything, right, Phoebe? For example, into a drill. What about into an excavator? No, Groovy, be careful. Boxes are fragile. We better try with something else. Demolition crane? No, this was not a good idea. I know. Groovy, why don't you let them operate you? They're the expert. The street looks great. Good night, kids. Tomorrow will be as exciting as today. Don't worry, Groovy. Construction time, kids. Phoebe, your ladybug costume is super cool. Haha, Groovy, your Cat Noir one is awesome too. Wait, why is the park so dirty? People should use the litter bins. That's it. Phoebe, great idea. Superhero's mission, clean the park. Really good, kids. It's sad that people throw trash on the floor and the water. Let's do our bit. Each bottle we collect, it'll be a bottle less in the river. And then we recycle them. A little more. Almost. Careful, Phoebe. No. Groovy, help her. Cristiano. Haha, well done, Groovy. Now, children, you have to be more careful. Don't worry, I have an idea. Come, Groovy, let's take advantage of the fact that everyone believes you are Cristiano. Kids, listen. Cristiano Ronaldo's going to teach you not to throw rubbish on the ground. You must recycle. We can't throw rubbish on the ground, but deposit our rubbish in the corresponding containers. Will you help us to clean the park then? Beautiful. Thank you all, kids. Every country organizes recycling in a different way. Ask your parents how you should do it. And try it like it's a game. Very good, kids. There's nothing better than a great breakfast to start the day. Right, Groovy? He has eaten his and Phoebe's. Time to go. Phoebe is so hooked on her new mystery book that in the end, she will be late to school. When you are in a hurry, the best is the tricycle. No traffic jam, no contamination, and you do some sport. Oh no, you got a flat tire, and we are in a hurry. Who could have been? Good idea, Phoebe. This is a mystery for a super detective. Groovy, Phoebe needs a magnifying glass. Help her. This is a case for Phoebe Holmes and Dr. Groovy. Today, in the Flat Tire Mystery. What a hole! To find the guilty, the first to do is look for clues. What do we have here? 3 clues. First one seems like a dog footprint. Second one, a human footprint. And third, a bird footprint. Where should we start? First one. There we go. Number 1 clue. Dog's footprints. Be careful, Phoebe. That mutt looks suspicious. Let's question him. Groovy, transform into a dog and take his bone. Mr. Dog, do you know something about the flat tire of this girl's tricycle? The dog is not guilty. He has an alibi. He is chained. Poor dog. He couldn't leave his garden. It's really late. Let's hurry up. First clue wasn't good. Let's continue with the second one. Second clue. Human's footprint. Another false clue. These are Phoebe's footprints on her way from home. Third clue. Bird's footprints. Mystery solved. It has been this woodpecker that has pierced the wheel with its beak. It's elemental, my dear Groovy. Let's go, kids. There's no time to lose. The mystery has been solved, but not the problem. We can't use the tricycle, and you have to arrive to school on time. Have you thought the same as me? the skin of your teeth. Remember, kids, if you want to arrive on time, you have to leave with time. You never know what can happen on the way. No clues are needed to know that this mischief has been Phoebe's idea. Elemental, my dear children. Hello, kids. Today is a very special day. It's Halloween! Phoebe, do you have your costume ready? No? Still no costume? We need to fix that. I'm sure there has to be something inside that closet to dress up Phoebe and Groovy. What is that? Is someone there? Mom and Dad. Lucky you. They've brought you new Halloween costumes. Children, what do you think Phoebe and Groovy will be wearing? Whoa, your costumes are awesome! What a clumsy fall, Groovy! Be careful! Look how many kids have costumes! So fun! Are we going to ask for candies too? Cool! Hey kids, do you know what you have to say now? Exactly. Trick or treat! Great. They've given you lots of candies. Groovy doesn't like them though. He likes broccoli more. Groovy, where are you taking us? This house is a bit far away. I think we'd better come back. Groovy! Don't let her inside. Watch out! What a bump! That cat is like a watchdog. Oh, it's a house of a witch. Oh, thank God. It's just a granny. Groovy, you don't have any costume. Transform into something for the trick or treat. Trick or treat! Groovy has gotten away with it. He's pigging out on broccoli. Remember, kids, if you do not want to have your belly hurt afterwards, do not eat all the goodies at once. Happy Halloween! Phoebe and Groovy are playing tag in the loft. Be careful, kids. Don't hurt yourself. What's that? Looks like a treasure map. Oh, and that's a pirate hat. Who's gonna wear it? Run, Phoebe, run! But Phoebe, are you sure the map says the treasure is there? And how are you going to dig up the treasure? Groovy, you can transform into a shovel. Oh, it seems there's no sign of the treasure, right, Mr. Mole? Kids, why don't you check the map again? There's no treasure here. Wow, a secret passage. How cool! Surely it will take us to the treasure. It's too dark. This is a little scary. I know. Groovy, why don't you transform into something shiny? What was that? So weird. Well, let's keep going. Look, guys, we're at the beach. I'm sure the treasure is nearby. Will the treasure be buried here? Watch out! The parrot has taken the map. Now it is impossible to know where is the treasure. Kids, don't be sad. We're having a great time even if we don't find the treasure. We're at the beach. Why don't we build a sandcastle? What? Is it the treasure? How exciting! What will be inside? What is it? A boat inside a bottle? I can't believe it! It's a pirate ship! All aboard, kids! So fun! Kids, something tells me we're going to live a great adventure. Phoebe and Groovy are living a real adventure. But they don't know. There's intruders on board. The famous Treasure Island. We are getting close. Oh no, they've taken the only boat. They want to be the first to arrive to keep the treasure for themselves. Groovy, quick, transform into a boat. But with a motor, quick! Well done, Groovy. race is super exciting. Groovy speeds up and shows what he's capable of. Really good. Champions. Uh-oh, it smells like trouble. The island is not empty. Kids, don't worry, we'll find the way to get out of here. But Pops, where are you going? Look, guys, this must be the head of the tribe. Pops! He makes them believe he's their god. You can't complain. Thanks to Pops, they treat you like kings now. Phoebe, don't be afraid. The pirate needs your help to dig up the treasure. Haha, kids. We'll know what is inside soon. The pirate has a plan. You have to work all together to get the treasure. Ah, what a beautiful day to run! Now that everyone is pursuing Pops, you can dig up the treasure. Don't you know how to do it? Try working all together. Wow, working all together, you made it. How cool! Kids, I know you want to know what is inside the treasure chest. But first, why don't we check on Pops and the pirate? They managed to hide, thank God. Let's go back to the village. What's the treasure hidden inside it? Another pirate hat? It's a magic hat. Is his girlfriend? She was trapped in the hat by a pirate curse. You've saved her. Good job. Run! They've discovered you. Groovy, we have to escape. Transform into a sledge and ride the dunes. This story has a great end because you all have worked all together to get the treasure. Remember, kids, if you can't all be your own, you sure can with your friends. Good morning, kids. I brought you here to learn the colors all together. Phoebe, let's go over what you have learned at school. Groovy, pay attention. We have 6 paint buckets of different colors. Red, orange, yellow, green. Exactly, Groovy. You are green and yellow too. Blue and pink. We also have 6 drawings of animals. Fox, frog, chicken, ladybug, flamingo, and shark, like baby shark. Animals are so cool. Do you know the color of each animal? Groovy, transform into a brush and help Phoebe paint the drawings with the right color. Red. Which of these animals are red? Haha, exactly. The ladybug is red. Groovy, now orange. What will it be? Yes, very good, Phoebe. The fox is orange. Yellow. Groovy, you try now. Which animal is yellow? No, Groovy. Flamingos aren't yellow. Kids, help him. That's it. Chicks are yellow. It's Green's turn. Yes, Groovy, you are green. What other animal is also green? Yes, the frog. Blue. Like a baby shark, yes. There's only one color left. Which color is the flamingo? Exactly, pink. Very good, Groovy. I think you know all the colors perfectly. Do you want to try with the fruits? Groovy, you now all by yourself. With a little help, it's okay too. We have tangerine, strawberry, banana, blueberries, pitaya, and kiwi. What color is the tangerine? Exactly. Tangerines are orange. And the strawberries? Very good. They're red. And the banana? Yellow. That's right. And little blueberries? Blue. What a team! There's only one left, the pitaya. Very good, kids. Pink. Great, kids. Last time. Red, like a ladybug or a strawberry. Orange, like the beautiful fox or the delicious tangerine. Yellow, like chicks or bananas. Green, like a frog or the inside of a kiwi. Sure, and broccoli. Blue, like the baby shark or the blueberries. And pink, like the flamingo or the pitaya. And like Pops. Learning is so fun.
Johnny,
yes, Papa.
eating sugar,
No, Papa.
telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth. Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar,
No, Papa.
telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth. Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar,
No, Papa.
telling lies.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth.
What are you doing? Are you trying to say something? Oh yes, subscribe, kids. Groovy the Martian, official channel.